Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Today I'm Jv'n Dr. Trivedi presenting before you a lecture on absorption of water. Now, we know water is an essential part for the life processes, and for absorption of water, we have to first take into view the availability of water. So, soil is the source of water and minerals to plants. So generally, the soil has mineral particles, organic matter, soil water, and soil air. So the water in the soil is present in the four forms. First is capillary water, which is present in the micropores of soil and having a diameter of 20 microns or below. Now this capillary water is present due to the abundance of micropores, and due to these pores only there is the water. Due to force of gravity, it stays there and is available to the plant for the absorption. Second, we also have the gravitational water, which is there, but it percolates down in the deeper layers and is unavailable. Hygroscopic water is the water which is imbibed by the soil colloid particles, and this is also not available to the plant. Combined water is the water combined with chemicals and is not available for the plant due to low water potential. So, on the basis of the water, the soil is categorized as solar, that is total amount of water present in soil, of which crescent is the water which is available to the plant for absorption, and ecart is the water which is not available for the plant for absorption. Then comes the water absorbing organ. What is the water absorbing organ? It is the root, and to be specific, it is the root hair zone. So each root hair zone has thousands of root hairs, and they are tubular extension of the epidermal cells, that is epidermis, and, and are, they are filled with a central vacuole, and they are osmotically active vacuolar sac. So the wall of the root hair is thin and permeable, and it is made of many pectic compounds, and this allows the absorption of water. So as said, the total absorption of the plant is through the root system and through the root hair. Now what is the mechanism of water absorption? Active and passive. Active is when there is uh, involvement of energy. So active absorption is by root pressure, by guttation and bleeding. So here what happens, the water absorbing forces are developed in the root, and therefore these a type of absorption is called active absorption. In passive absorption, the water is absorbed as per gradient, and there is no involvement of energy. Then for absorption of water, root pressure is another important formula, and we have electroosmotic active absorption gradient. So these are the forces involved. So as already said, in passive absorption, the only force that is taking part is due to transpiration. There is a difference, osmotic pressure difference is created, diffusion pressure deficit is there, and the water moves from the root to the leaf. So in passive water absorption, the water can be absorbed by the plant in absence of root system also, and the normal rate of water absorption is equal to the water loss to transport. Now we come to the pathways of water in the plant. There are three pathways: the apoplastic, the transmembrane, and the symplast pathway. In the apoplast, the water moves exclusively through the cell walls without crossing any membrane, and it is a continuous system of cell wall and intercellular spaces in the plant. In the transmembrane pathway, the route followed by the water is it enters the cell on one side and exits the cell on another side. In symplast, the water moves from one cell to next via plasmodesmata, and the symplast consists of the entire network of the cell cytoplasm interconnected with the plasmodesmata. So this is the absorption of water which we have today discussed. Various factors are there which affect the absorption of water, like available soil water, soil aeration, concentration of soil solution, and soil temperature. The root system is also involved in the absorption of water. Number of root hairs are more, higher the rate of absorption. Less, okay, lesser. So students, I hope you have found my lecture interesting. If you have any query, please give in the comments box. This session was powered by digital version 2.0 of JAYOTI Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you and